To the plants? Okay, you ready? Here we go. Look at the plant. Yeah. It's only 58 degrees out here. My kid wants to play in the water. Whoa! Wow! Wow!
Jack, you're sopping wet. Is that fun? Whoa! It's like his retreat right there. Jack, look how wet you are.
Look how wet you are, my boy. This guy's gonna get pneumonia yet. We're such bad parents. Whoa.
A bird flapping his wings.
Look how wet he is. Go and give mommy a hug.
No. Oh, wait. Oh, thanks.
Go wipe your hands on mommy. Oh, he's gonna be all wet. All done.
Oh, shucks.
All done. All done. It's all done. No, it's all done.
Say, Daddy, do it again. You want Daddy to do it again? Oh, it's a mess now.
Whoa.
Let me see. Come here.
Go see mommy. Whoa.
Detour.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Oh God, he's so wet.
Oh my goodness.
He's loving it though.
Probably not the best game for winter
I
time.
know. You're all done now. Look how wet you are, my boy.
Whoa.
All done.
Are we going to get a towel and dry you up?
Now. We're going to get you all squared away.
Maybe it's bath time. Can you wave bye-bye, Jack? Can you say bye-bye to everybody?
It's all done. Look how wet you are, my